To my juicers out there, you have to check out this recipe. It is a protein with pulp fruit smoothie. It is insane, delicious. Check it out. So you're gonna need 1 scoop of vanilla whey protein, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, a hand-sized portion of blueberries, 1 cup of raspberries, 2/3 cups of blackberries, 2/3 cups of organic coconut chunks, 2/3 cups of fresh pulp. Make sure with the pulp you always add some fruits to it, like pineapple and watermelon, to make it a little bit sweeter. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of original peanut butter powder that has protein, some fresh strawberries, and 1 banana. 2/3 cups of fresh pineapple. This is one of my favorite smoothie pulp recipes that I have. Please, I want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments below what other pulp recipes would you like me to make for you. If you like this, subscribe to my channel.